Does world-class education require an elite astronomical fee structure or a clear vision? Ultimate privileges for the student and a heart that refuses to treat learning like a corporate business. Welcome to the show, Small on Big Talk, Rati, my dearest friend, who's a mom, who's an entrepreneur, and a great administrator of a school par excellence. How are you feeling today?
Uh, Good, and my pleasure to be here with you, Neha.
थैंक यू रति अब इसी मौजू पे हम बात करते हुए आगे बात बढ़ाते हैं यू रिमेंबर वी हैड शेड्यूल टू शूट ऑन अ earlier date. I think 3rd of March was our
It
first.
was 2nd April, I remember, and my father-in-law unfortunately passed away.
Yeah,
So that was the day I was supposed to meet you.
absolutely. We were supposed to shoot on the 3rd of April.
Yes,
My bad, I got
and
the wrong thing.
arrangements were done.
Yeah, and it was such a sudden shock to your entire family and to all of us, whoever was connected to you.
Yes, it was because my grandfather-in-law was the founder, and then my father-in-law took the legacy, and he was very supportive to me.
एंड मंटोरा का जो ये जो मंटोरा इंस्टीट्यूशन है ये who founded it?
My grandfather-in-law,
Okay.
he founded,
And how
and
long has it been?
he died at the age of 90.
और कितने साल हो गए हैं मंटोरा को?
It's been more than 25 years.
Wow. You celebrated your 25 years of.
Yeah, little bit.
Yeah?
Yeah, not much, but yes.
Okay. And then your father-in-law also looked after it?
Yes, he was the chairman and he looked after it. And last to last month, he passed away.
What is it like losing a pillar of strength, in business families? कैसा क्या क्या दिमाग में आता है रति जब ऐसा कुछ होता है?
And very politely, he handled me and guided me.
You were a
And
young
yes,
daughter-in-law.
I was young because it's been 20 years I have been looking after the school. So he always supported me, and through his support, I gained confidence and I was self dependent. And he never interfered, so I was always free to take my own decisions.
कितने साल हो गए हैं मंटोरा को चलाते हुए सिंगल हैंडेडली रति? 20 years?
Yeah, it's 20 years. Physically, I'm in the school, but back support I always got from my family.
Yeah.
Whether it's my mother-in-law or father-in-law or my husband or anyone else in the family.
अच्छा, ये बताओ कि जैसे अब in this era, रति education has become a very high stakes game. है ना? बहुत business oriented. So you have chosen a completely different path. क्योंकि जब मैं स्कूल गई मुझे फी स्ट्रक्चर पता चला द काइंड ऑफ एमिनिटीज यू प्रोवाइडेड टू योर स्टूडेंट्स तो व्हाट मेड यू sort of differ from the norm and make it an institute that gives every penny worth of education. तो तुम्हारा फी स्ट्रक्चर भी काफ़ी नॉमिनल है और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तुम वर्ल्ड क्लास दे रही हो तो ऐसा क्यों लाइक व्हाई डिड यू थिंक अबाउट डूइंग दैट?
Actually, earning money was never our aim, and definitely, you if you have to survive, you have to give all the facilities to our students. But earning money from school was never the aim of the family also. So this is what I'm carrying forward, the vision of my father-in-law
अच्छा
and my family.
and they always believe that education should be like not a channel where you can
Yes,
earn money.
as you have seen the fee structure, so we charge because we need some funds to run the school, and that's it. Whatever we are getting from the school, we are investing in the school itself. We are not in this mind ki we have to earn something from our school.
My next question is that to you कि जब जैसे ये अर्पिता निष्ठा ये हाई स्कोरर्स हैं सो तुम्हें लगता है कि ये रिटर्न ऑन योर इन्वेस्टमेंट मिल रहे हैं यू लाइक क्योंकि यू स्पेंड स्लीपलेस नाइट्स थिंकिंग अबाउट व्हाट मोर कैन यू डू फॉर द स्कूल?
Yes, I feel proud when my students, like Arpita, she is like my school this time, class 12 result, my school has scored 5th position. So yes, I feel proud of my students. And when I recently, my child, my student, Vidit Srivastav, he has scored 932 rank.
Yeah.
in
920
something.
yeah, 922 in JE.
Yes. So, if we give the opportunities, definitely, and these girls, they are all rounder, and many of such students are who are all rounder. They are participating in extempore, they are participating in debate, storytelling, and many like inter-school competitions are going on, and they are participating in it, and they are winning. Winning is very like it is. At least they go for the competitions.
Yeah. एंड जब विन करके आते हैं तो रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट लगता है कि बस हो गया.
And I want maximum students to be like them.
Yeah.
Maximum students to be, and we give them all the platform. I have the team of good faculty who are always hard. I have the team of diligent teachers. They are always on their toes, working hard with their students. The teachers are who observe the students. They find out the capabilities which these students are having,
Yeah.
and then we promote them.
Good eye
And
for
our alumni are spread all over the world, I would say,
yeah.
in different fields. They have cooked
चलिए फिर जब
themselves.
एलुमनाई की बात छिड़ी है तो वैभव गुप्ता की बात करो. वैभव, what is he doing currently?
Um, he was
And
Indian.
what kind of a student was he?
He was good in studies also, and he was like he had the passion for music, and he participated many times in different competitions, and definitely we supported him. Like whenever he said he wants a leave and all, so school was always supportive, and we do support because academics is important, and for that I always say that. Do both the things, academics also and plus skills also, because education is very important whatever field you choose, but education is important. You have to get good marks in your class 10th, it's very important, and in class 12th also. Doesn't matter that your field is in sports or singing or whatever. So we supported Weber because wherever he used to go, he used to win. If Weber is going, he was a fear for other participants that he is coming, and he always used to win. So we noticed his talent, and we always supported him. He wanted leaves, and school was always supportive, and he was a winner of Indian Idol 14,
14.
and now he has sung, his debut was Thurandar 2.
स्कूल में भी गाता होगा.
Yes, he used to, and he was like since class pre-primary, he was here in my school.
Oh, so all his life he's been in your school.
Yes.
Okay, अब आता है मिलने कभी?
Yes, every year he comes to meet us, to meet his school family, and he takes blessings from us, from the school.
It's a very proud moment for you.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, very nice to know. अच्छा ये बताओ Rati, that being a school owner means you're carrying the future of thousands of children, the anxiety of thousands of parents, and the livelihood of your staff. How do you make sure all of these people are satisfied? The children, the parents, and your teachers? Because every onus rests on your shoulders.
See, there are many factors. First thing, that there shouldn't be any favorism or any kind of partiality in the school. See, school is a 15-year journey from pre-primary to primary, then senior classes. So it's a journey of 15 years. Pre-primary में जब बच्चा होता है तो वो like we try to pamper the child, and to play and learn method we do. Then when the child comes to primary section, the child is bit like in primary section, the child has raised now. So accordingly, we deal with the children class 1 to 5. Again, many activities are there, and plus we make since these are the base classes, we make sure that the child has academic roots are very strong, then only will score best or better in the further classes. So it's a journey of 15 years, and we try to give them skill development plus moral values are equally important. Ki bacha, and then after class 10th, the child, we make sure that the child chooses the subject he wants to, the stream he wants to, irrespective of any pressure from our side. And then
और पेरेंट्स को
because
कैसे सेटिस्फाई करती हो? पेरेंट्स कह रहे हैं साइंस लो और बच्चा चाह रहा है आर्ट्स. हाउ डू यू डील विद दैट?
like we have to convince them, because बच्चा वो कर भी लेगा तो अगर उसका dedication नहीं है, then how the child would do. So for this we have counseling session for the parents also. Along with children, we counsel the parents कि आपके बच्चे का happiness is very important than the pressure you are giving.
And nowadays, like you said, parents are pretty understanding.
Yes, they do understand. If we counsel them, if we explain them, then they do understand कि ठीक है, whatever the child is taking the stream is good for he or she.
And how do you deal with your staff? Staff को deal करना भी तो एक monumental task होता है. क्योंकि तुम directly you're looking into your school.
Yes.
So these questions are just so relevant for you.
See, sometimes being the director of the school or head of the school, I have to counsel the teachers also. I have to counsel the teachers and every section of the staff, office staff also, my fourth class also. So I have to counsel them.
That's fair. And you are an active counselor. Like you go, you meet them, you speak to
Yes,
them,
uh-huh.
you're approachable.
If they are telling their problems with their any colleagues or so I counsel them that how they have to handle the things. So now they are matured enough. They are doing their work.
That's right. अच्छा ये बताओ, when you completely switch off the owner tag at night, what is your personal life and your personal tastes and your personal reflection of who you are like? क्या करते हो? क्या मजा आता है करने में तुम्हें? You like to read, watch, meet people, spend time with your kids.
Like, see, I am a homebody. After school, I like to stay at home only with my children, with my family. And yes, I do socialize, but see, what I believe that life is a balance. If you maintain balance in your life, then you are able to do anything you want to. And it's not specific that I like to do this thing or anything. Matlab, I do whatever I want to.
Yeah, and what do you want to?
Yes, matlab like
You like watching movies, going to the theater. Are you a woman of many words or quiet?
I'm a quiet person.
Yeah.
Yes. I hardly do informal talks.
Okay.
Yes.
And why is that?
Might be it's my temperament, it's my nature.
Yeah. Out of the two of you, you and your husband, who's the more talkative one?
No one.
Okay.
Yeah, because we both are of the similar nature, and
Okay.
we both are workaholic.
Okay.
So
And out of your children, who talks more?
my son,
Okay.
yeah,
Your daughter is not a very talkative girl.
she is, but she is more likely me,
Yeah.
and my son, he talks.
He talks.
Hmm.
Okay. So is your house like got a quiet environment or buzz of energy, and what is it like?
Yeah, buzz of energy is there, but yes, it's a quiet atmosphere, and more of servants.
Yeah. Than people.
Yes.
Like, yeah, than
So,
inhabitants. Okay. Okay. You know, the girl who once was and now the entrepreneur, when you were growing up, did you feel like this is what you're going to do? You're going to do a business, you're going to work for someone, you're going to do a job. What are you going to do?
see, I belong to a family where I was raised without any discrimination, and I was always inclined to do something for the society. and never wanted to sit at home. And fortunately, after marriage, I got this platform, such a big platform, and I started work. So nothing was fixed, ki I'm going to do this or that, but it all happened like,
Organically.
yes.
So now here you are.
Yes, here I am, and I do complain or I do say that I'm tired and I have so much responsibilities. But yes, I love my work.
It is a
At the
big
end
part
of
of
the
your
day,
life.
yes, it is. It has given me a identity, and the thing is, ki I've got my own identity.
All women should work.
Yes, nowadays it is needed. How much doesn't matter that what your parents are, how much you are getting from your parents, but yes, every women should be self dependent. Yes,
That is
it
so
is
true.
needed. Self income is the need of an hour. If you get the exposure, you learn daily, you are learning, and life is what life is learning
A
daily.
journey of learning
Yes,
daily. Yeah.
it's a journey of learning. Even I also daily I'm learning
Yeah, that's
from my students, from my staff, from my faculty. Daily I'm learning.
that's true.
Yes.
What is the one unmatched learning that you have had from your children in school? Something that not adults can teach you. What do children teach you?
See, my children uh, belong to Generation Z. So learned a lot. I can't say that this specific thing I've learned from them. Yes, but they are more confident than me. Sometimes they give me ideas, they give me suggestions. So not specific, ki this I've learned from them.
But do you think Gen Z is more aware?
Yes, they are. And I'm learning from my next generation. Not only Gen Z, if I like I give example of my school. So this Zen Alpha has also come.
Yeah,
So
alphas. My daughter's an
yes,
alpha.
so I'm learning from them also. And I think my pre-primary is Gen
Beta.
Beta, so I'm learning from
From
them
them as
also.
well.
And see, the qualities are the same, and I feel ki these children have immense potential. And this Gen Z or my class 10th or 12th students, they are the youth of the nation, and the whole nation is dependent on them.
So how
And
should the youth be treated now? With irrespective of who the political party is, youth के पास क्या power होनी चाहिए और youth को हमें किस तरह से treat करना चाहिए? Because like you said, right, they're the future of the world. तो किस तरह से youth को मतलब youth को politics में आना चाहिए, youth को अपना right मनवाना चाहिए and youth के लिए governments को कितना करना चाहिए?
I believe ki class 12th, those who have passed out, they are definitely they are the youth of the nation, and the nation is dependent on them, and they have immense potential. They are daring. They know how to speak for their rights. I feel proud when I hear them. When I hear them ki they want to become doctors or so. Yes, definitely, our country needs more doctors, more lawyers, more engineers, more scientists, more technology. We need more and more technology in our country. So,
गवर्नमेंट को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए बेसिकली इस टाइप के करियर्स एंड ना कि यूथ के खिलाफ खड़े होकर कोई पॉलिसी बनानी चाहिए.
yes, I do agree कि we work hard, we do our best for our students. एंड डेफिनेटली जब तक वो 12th तक होते हैं तो हम उन्हें हर तरह का सपोर्ट देते हैं. पेरेंट्स भी देते हैं, टीचर्स भी देते हैं, बट आफ्टर 12th दे आर फेसिंग द होल वर्ल्ड. तो डेफिनेटली उनको सपोर्ट मिलना चाहिए. और like it's very disheartening for us कि when I hear them we feel proud कि ठीक है, this is their dream and which our country needs. But कोई भी like हायर लेवल पे जब वर्क नहीं होगा, लाइक अभी 12th का जो
OSM
मार्किंग
issue.
इशू हुआ था, तो इट्स वेरी demotivating for our students. Around 12 lakh students appeared in class 12 boards. Then अभी नीट का पेपर जो लीक आउट हुआ था, दिस इज ऑल्सो अगेन वेरी डिसअपॉइंटिंग फॉर अस, क्योंकि वो हमारे वी आर हेयर टू इंकरेज आवर यूथ, इंकरेज आवर स्टूडेंट्स, एंड जब इस तरह का कोई स्कैम होता है या पेपर लीक आउट होता है, तो येस इट इज़ वेरी डिसअपॉइंटिंग फॉर देम. वी डोंट वांट कि उनका एक साल भी बर्बाद हो, क्योंकि जब आप किसी कंपटीशन में पार्ट लेते हो, तो बच्चे हमारा पूरे डेडिकेशन से अपना टाइम भी देते हैं, एंड एवरी कंपटीशन नीड्स मनी ऑल्सो, यू नीड मनी. सो दोनों
Absolutely.
चीजें वो लगाते हैं
Time,
बच्चे.
resources,
Yes, and
सबका
around
waste.
25 lakh students appeared in NEET. So, हम अपनी जी जान लगा देते हैं 12th तक to build up our students, not
Absolutely.
only academically but other points also. So, we expect कि उनको एटलीस्ट आगे जाके क्लियर प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता जाए, जिससे कि वो आगे बढ़े, ना कि दे गेट डीमोटिवेटेड और
Stuck.
degraded.
Yeah.
Why to waste even a year for them? Because we are very diligent in our work and we are very uh, dedicated.
That's true. That's very well said. So, governments को should make sure that इस type की issues ना हो.
हाँ, क्योंकि मेरा मानना है कि सी जब आई ऑलवेज टेल टू माय स्टूडेंट्स कि व्हेन यू आर नॉट वर्किंग फॉर योर सेल्फ और योर फैमिली, बट यू आर वर्किंग फॉर द country also, and always try to make your country progress and prosper. तो आप अपने कंट्री के लिए भी वर्क करते हो, तो और मैं उनको ये भी बताती हूँ कि देश तरक्की करता है विज्ञान से. So we need more literate people. We need more educated people
Who are
in our
inventors, who inventing,
inventors.
creating.
Yes, I said scientists, more
Yeah.
scientists, and who work with loyalty,
Yeah.
which is very important. So I always tell all these like moral values. I always teach them. So my school, see, it's a combination of academic plus moral values plus skill development.
That's right.
Yes, and we develop their personality so that when they are coming out of the school atmosphere, they are ready to face the whole world confidently, with confidence.
That is so true. And how do you satisfy the children's desires, their parents, and your staff who's dependent on you, on their livelihood? इन तीनों को कैसे संभालते हो?
See, I believe कि dedicated collaboration of parents and teachers is a quintessential element of a successful school, ensuring that students receive academic opportunity and emotional guidance.
That's right.
So this is very important. This like um, understanding between the parent and teachers and the student. Then only we nurture a child.
That's true. That's true. Very well said. Acha, and do you have a message for all the people who want to run their educational institutes like money making business? Do you have a message for them?
What message I can give to all, but I only focus on my vision, and I believe that the school is marked by continuous development in its pursuit of excellence, and my school follows egalitarian approach to education, ensuring that every student gets the same resources and opportunities. And
and not a money-making business.
no, for me, it's not a money-making business.
Absolutely. I second that because I've seen your school firsthand. Okay, so anyway, your message to your students, your last message to your students. You want to give a message?
Message to students is ki uh, like never try always to be patient, to be humble. Whatever obstacles are there, see, life is full of hurdles, full of obstacles, but doesn't mean ki that is the end of anything. Life is also full of opportunities, and never give your never let your hope down. Always be enthusiastic, never let your hope down, and remember your life is precious. The anything which is precious is your life. So never always be hardworking, be diligent, be dedicated to your work. And मैं बच्चों को बोलती हूँ कि like believe in the concept of karma. What you give, you get, and try to be honest and loyal in your life.
That's very well said. And thank you, Rati, for being on the couch of Small and Big Talk. I hope we can meet again and talk about other things, your future plans, your vision for the school, and your vision for your family, for your friends, for yourself. And it was a pleasure having you. Thank you so much.
My pleasure,
Thank you.
Neha.